What is up, my beautiful people, and welcome to a new video on my channel. I am Alan 20 years young from Germany, but I live right now in Switzerland, just to let you know, because of the work. I moved to Switzerland anyways. Let's stop talking. You can see the title. We are at McDonald's and it's time to get some chicken McNuggets, but the new ones, the spicy chicken McNuggets, and I cannot wait for them. And just because I'm here in Germany right now for some 3 days, I got to make a new video. It's the first one in a bit more than a month. I don't know if I will be able to eat so many chicken McNuggets. And if you're new to my channel, just to let you know, it's nothing about health and fitness. It's just for fun, for entertainment, and yeah. Be safe to subscribe to my channel if you love food as much as I do, and stay tuned for the upcoming videos because I record some more, but I want to be a little bit updated, so this is my newest video right now. But let's stop talking, let's get inside. Alright, my friends, my plan first was to eat inside, but it's not allowed to record. Yeah, because of some COVID stuff, not so much space for. But anyways, we got our 100 spicy chicken McNuggets. So let's get home and make everything presentable, right? Alright, we are back, my friends, we are back. So, first box of 20 nuggets. And box, guys, box number 5 of spicy 20 McNuggets, as you can see. Oh, just a smell, fan chicken tastic. Oh, it's been such a long time since I've had McDonald's McNuggets. And I gotta be honest, I'm not the biggest fan of McDonald's. I just in love with the breakfast items and the McNuggets and McFlurries, but here you can see them, guys. Oh wow. But yeah, you can definitely see the difference from normal ones. And oh yeah, let's put them all on the board and let's see. And the last box, box number 5. So exactly 100 spicy chicken McNuggets. Oh my god. It's time for my first meal of the day. It's time for our challenge. What exactly 100 spicy chicken McNuggets, the new ones that I never tried before, so I hope they're good. It is just for fun. I'm not a competitive eater, guys. I really don't know if I'm able to eat all of them. If I'm not, I will give the rest to my family. They are like my neighbors. So just to let you know, but I really was looking for this kind of a challenge for a long time. So before we start, it's about 4,500 calories. So I gotta say I can eat definitely 4,000 or 5,000 calories in one sitting, but more with kind of sweets, because I'm really a sweet guy. Before we start, also greetings to my American peeps, Rainer Huang, Joel Hansen, also to Nate and Nick. Maybe you guys will try it too, because I know that they are new also right now in the USA. So it will be cool to see you guys. Maybe for you it's not a challenge, but I would love to see you guys eating this spicy chicken McNuggets like me right now. So 8:25 p.m. I set a timer just for fun. Let's start, guys. Before we start to eat them with some sauce, I want to try it first plain. They are almost like the original ones, but definitely the aftertaste is a bit spicy, and I love spicy foods. So, oh wow. Let's try with the sweet and sour. Man, let's enjoy this. Let's try with some ranch. I never had ranch from McDonald's. Oh man, my dad is calling. Just some ranch. Oh wow. Nuggets with the ranch. And we also got some chili sauce, extra spicy. Let's see. But I love this. Oh wow. Sour cream. Let's see. Oh wow. Still sweet and sour is my favorite, but I never had the sour cream and ranch, and I gotta say they're amazing, and the spicy chili as well. The curry. And last but not least, also the barbecue. Let's see, barbecue. The tangy flavor. And if I need, I got my Asian condiments, some spicy Filipino ketchup, black bean sauce, Korean gochujang, and nuclear 2 times spicy. Let's mix this with some ranch. Like a spicy ranch. So, almost 5 minutes in, and I have no idea how many I ate so far, but I will enjoy this right now. If you want to be the first behind the scenes, follow me on Instagram. They will see it first. I also got a secret weapon. Something that I always did when I was a child. What is that? That is not a regular McNugget. Please let me know what are your favorite condiments, sauces from McD's. First day back in Germany from Switzerland after a month, and just celebrated in the perfect way. The sour cream is so good. When you change it up every time, the sauces, the flavor, then I think I'm able to. And just because they're still warm, it's so enjoyable. Some water with apple cider, just for the health. The extra hot and spicy is more sweet with a hint of spice. Gochujang, Korean gochujang and ranch. The gochujang is so powerful. Oh wow, I love this. Barbecue. I definitely love me some barbecue sauce, but more on burgers than on nuggets. And a lot of you guys asking me also why I'm not getting fat. Trust me, the day before, or almost every day, I do intermittent fasting for a long time, and that helps. But I also try to be super active on these kind of cheat days or challenges. Like for example, right now I'm over 25k steps in, and I also was at the gym. And I did all fasted. And after this meal, I will go for a long walk or something just to digest the food. And the next day for sure, I'm lower in calories, like yeah, maybe around about 1,800. I'm not tracking, I don't like it, but I know my foods and know exactly about the calories. Ranch with gochujang. So far we are 16 minutes in. I hope you guys can see it. Man, Nick, when you're watching this, I saw your videos and you ate in 10 minutes, I think. It was something like 80. Biggest respect. Let's try it out with some spicy Filipino banana ketchup. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You can mix ranch like mayo, almost with all the spicy things. It turns out so good. Sodium overload. But ranch, it's just perfect. We still have so many. Oh man, the struggle is real. So 26 minutes in. $32 nuggets left. Wow. Yes, I'm crazy. Sweet and sour with nuclear Korean chicken hot sauce.
You're a fat man.
Damn, that is spicy. Oh wow. Now it's really spicy. Oh. Man, Filipino banana ketchup. Trust me guys, it's so delicious. What is that? I need some more ranch. Oh. Oh god. Ranch and sweet and sour. All the way. Oh. Okay. Now it's time for my secret whip. I showed this also on one of my cheat days before. I always get the Happy Meal with nuggets and fries, and I always dip the nuggets and the fries in the milkshake. And this is a vanilla strawberry mix. Oh, and I never first with the. Oh wow. It looks like vanilla milkshake, but the sauce from the strawberry is so powerful that you only can taste the strawberry or more the strawberry. But yes guys, let's dip the nugget in the milkshake. Secrets of the Fat Kid. Dennis, greetings to you. That helps a lot. "37 minutes in. Oh. Nine nuggets left. There we have it. So the strawberry. It's like strawberry jam. "40 minutes and 3 left. But yeah. Wow, wow. This is really tough for me, guys. No joke. That was tough. Hard. But I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't try this at home. I only saved my proteins. But yeah, and the only thing that gets shredded was my wallet. But it was a discount coupon. So 25 bucks for 100 nuggets. It's okay. Well, yes, guys. That was all. The final and last spicy chicken McNugget from McDonald's. I don't want to see them for a long time. I cannot believe. I cannot believe. But I finished them in 42 minutes. Oh my god. But yeah, just like I said, I want to enjoy it, or I try to enjoy them as much as possible. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video till the end. I hope it was enjoyable to see me kind of suffering just a bit at the end, I gotta say. And yeah, let me know what you want to see next. I'm Alan Pjanic. And I'm out. Till we meet again, I love you all, guys. Peace out.